Hello students, friends, parents and well wisher. I welcome you to my channel Gorman Ghosh channel. Today we discuss about the exercise 1.1 of chapter 1 knowing our numbers for class 6. This is lesson number 6. Chapter 1 lesson number 6. Chapter name knowing our numbers. Exercise 1.1. So today the first question you see, question number 1, fill in the blank. A, 1 lakh equal to dash 10,000. So here lakh and 10,000 are in Indian system of numeration. So you know the Indian system of numeration as this. So this is 100 crores, 10 crores, crore, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10, 1. So this is the order of Indian number system. In Indian number system, so 1 lakh equal to how much? 10,000. So you go 1,000 lakh to 10,000. So that will be 10. This is. Okay. Next question. 1 million equal to dash 100,000. 1 million. So 1 million is in and 100,000 both are in international system of numeration. So you see here that is millions. So this step is million, then 100,000. So easily one step towards the right. So that also 10. Then 1 crore equal to dash 10 lakhs. This is as per the Indian number system. In Indian number system you see this is the crore and this is 10 lakhs. So easily that answer also 10. One crore equal to dash million. So here one is Indian system of numeration, another is international system of numeration. So in both cases what happened? You see, so 1 crore, so this one, then millions is here. So that also right was 1 steps. So that also 10. 10 millions. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. Very simple. So you can write here also 1 millions equal to how many lakhs? That is also 1 step. So that also answer is 10. Next question, question number 2. Place comma correctly and write the numerals. So what written? That written is 73 lakhs. 73 lakhs 75,000 307. 307. So this is given. Lakh means that is in the Indian system of numeration. So here you use the comma 3 from right sides to left, again 2 and 2. So 73 lakhs 75,000 307. Okay. Next, 9 crore 5 lakhs 41. 9 lakh crore, then 5 lakhs. So there is one place left, that is the 10 lakh place. So that is 5. This is 41. 41 means how many steps you left here? That is 10,000 steps, 1,000 place, then 100 place, then 41. So now use comma here. This is 3 from right to left, then 2, then 2. Now you see 9 crore 5 lakhs 41. Very good. Okay, students. 7 crores 52 lakhs 21,302. Again you see 7 crore. So you write the 7. Then 52 lakhs 5 to 52 lakhs 21,302 means 10 plus is left. So this is. So use the comma, 3 digit from right to left, then 2 digit, then 2 digits. So 7 crore 52 lakhs 21,302. Okay. Next what happened? You see 58 millions 423,202. So this is given in the International System of Numeration. So right, students, what will be the answer? 58 millions, 58. So you write the 58 millions 423,000. 423,202. 202. 10 place is not given. So this is as per the International System of Numeration. So you use the comma, 3 digit from right to left. This is next 3 digits. This is. So you see here 58 millions 423,202. Is it not, students? Yes. Next one is 23 lakhs 30,010. So what is the answer you see here? That is 23 lakhs. 23 lakhs 30,000. This is 10. So 100 plus is left. So 10. So this is as per the Indian system of numeration. So you see, use the comma, 3 digits from right to left. Then 2 digits. So you read here 23 lakhs 30,010. Is not it? Now next questions. Insert comma suitably and write the name according to the Indian system of numeration. This is. So it is as per the Indian system of numeration. So you have to use the comma from 3 digits from right to left, then 2, like this. This is, then 2 digits, this, then 2 digits. So this one is the crore place, this one is the lakh place, this one the thousand place, and like this. So what will be the number? Please tell me. That is 8 crore 75 lakhs 95,762. Okay, very good. Next you see, again use the comma as per the Indian system of numeration. Then use comma, 3 digit from right to left, then 2 digit, then 2. Then what happened? This is the place for the lakh, this is the place for the thousand, and this is 100 and 10 and 1. Then you tell the numbers. Now you tell the numbers. What are the numbers? So this is 85 lakhs 46,283. So just you write this is in the literature. So this is a very simple number. So you, what do you write? So you see, this is very simple numbers. So use comma as usual, 3 digit from right to left. This is, then 2 digit, then 2 digit. Then what happened? This is, so this is from the crore place, these 2 are for lakh place, these are 0 as the thousand place, then 100, 10 and 1 place. So what you will write number? This number is 9 crore 99 lakh 46. 9 crore 99 lakh 46, this much. So this is also very simple. So use the comma like that. So here, then here, then here. Then what will the numbers? The 9 crore 84 lakh 32,701. This number is. Okay, next one you see. Insert comma suitably and write the names according to the internal system of numeration. Just you write the internal system of numeration. So in internal system of numeration, so 3 digits from right to left, then 3 digits, then 3 digits. So use the comma like this. So very simple. Just use the comma here. So 3 digits from right to left, then 3 digits. This is. Then this is for the million place, this is 1000 place, and this is general place. 100, 10 and 1. Then what happened? Then its name is 78. 78 millions. 78 millions 921,092. So this is 78 millions 921,092. The next number is same way, you use the comma, 3 digit from right to left, then 3 digit. So this is very simple. What is the number? That number is 7,452,283. 7,452,283. The next number is this. So very easy, you can put the comma from right to left, 3 digit, 3 digit and 3 digit. So what will be the number? 99,985,102. Then you see the next number again, same way you put the comma here, 3 digit from right to left, then 3 digit. This is as per the internal system of numeration. Then what happened? The number is, you see, 48 millions 49,831. 48,49,831. Thanks for watching. Wait for next video. Subscribe my channel. The channel name is Government Ghosh. So dear students and parents and all well sir, kindly subscribe my channel for teaching and learning the mathematics. Thank you.